Hello, my name is Rachel and this is my channel, The Girl with the Pilates Mat. Welcome to today's class. We're doing standing Pilates today for strengthening the back and improving your posture. All right, so without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so let's have you standing with your feet directly underneath or in line with the front of your hips. So it's really important to set our posture before we begin. If you get your posture right to start with, you're really going to strengthen those muscles. All right, so think of tummy muscles drawing in. Ribs are closing at the front, but you're trying to create space between ribs and hips. So think of really lifting up through the center. All right, continuing to pull in those tummy muscles and draw your shoulders down. So I'm going to go sideways so you can see what we're aiming for is a posture as close to this as possible. So you want your hands resting on the side of your thighs, tummies in, ribs in, and really lengthening through the back. So let's start with a little warm up. You're going to draw your shoulders up to your ears. You're going to reach them back behind you. So really squeezing those shoulder blades together and then reach your hands down your thighs. So draw the shoulder blades up, reach them back, squeeze them together and down. Lifting up, squeeze and slide the hands down. Lifting up, squeeze and slide the hands down. And lifting up, squeeze and slide the hands down. Now try and maintain that position of your shoulders. All right, I'm going to come back towards you now. And we're going to do a little stretch over to the side of the head and up, other way, over and up. So keep that nice position of the body, over and up and over and up. Little rotation, looking to your right and center, left and center. Right and center, left and center. Okay, from here we're going to do a little movement. I love this one. It's a really good warm up for the shoulders and the back. So we're going to make the shape of a Y. Okay, and then the shape of a W, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Then reaching out to a T. And then drawing the elbows into your side, palms up, squeezing those shoulder blades, making the L's or two L's. So we're going to go Y, W, T, and L. Y, W, T, and L. Y, W, T and L. Y, W, T and L. One more. Y, W, T and L. Now really squeeze those shoulder blades together. I'm going to do a little pulsing motion here. So the elbows lift and squeeze. Lift and squeeze. So you should be getting nice and warm around the bottom of your shoulder blades. Good. Lift and squeeze. Lift and squeeze. Lift and squeeze. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring those elbows all the way in and then bring the hands around to the front. Now you're going to exhale, open. Inhale back. You should really feel this on your shoulders. I know I can, in between those shoulder blades. So together and open. Together and open. Standing tall, Good. 2, 1. Well done. And then bring your arms back down. Lovely stuff. Okay, so we're going to go sideways. And we're going to extend the work now by stepping back with that right foot. So you're in a little bit of a lunge position. We're going to bend this front leg, keep those tummy muscles pulled in, keep those ribs pulled in, and we're going to hinge at the hips. Okay, and then from here, the arms are going to come down, and we're going to turn the palms so they face the wall behind you, and you're just going to reach back. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Bring the hands down so they're hanging directly below your shoulders. Turn the palms to face each other. Now you're going to go out to the side for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now you're going to bring the hands down and reach them up in front of you for 1, and 2, and 3, as high as you can go, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Bring that foot in, switch sides. So we're changing legs, but we are going to repeat the arms. So again, lunging forward, tipping at the hips, but being mindful of drawing those tummy muscles in here. Hands hang down, palms facing the wall behind you, reaching back for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let the arms just hang. Turn the palms towards each other. Now reach out to the side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Well done. Palms face the back of the wall again. Now we reach all the way up for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Bring that foot in. Well done. Now let's stay standing up nice and tall. Think of resetting that posture. So we're drawing those shoulders back, tummies in. We're going to lift the arms up, all the way up, circle out to the side and bring them forward. So we're going to go up, out and forward. Up, out and forward. So there's a little turn of the hand. So we turn the palms down, we lift up, we reach out to the side, come forward, palms down. Up, out and forward. Up, out and forward. And up, out and forward. Now we're going to go the other way. Okay, so palms go forward facing each other, out to the side, up, and think of pushing down through space. Palms face each other. Out, up, pushing down through space. You want to really feel you're engaging under your shoulders here. Out, up, and pushing down. Out, up, and pushing down. Out, up, and pushing down. And out, up, and pushing down. Now we're going to take the arms up and we're going to take the hands, so bending at the elbows, hands behind your head, interlace the fingers, draw those ribs in. And now I want you to try and pull your hands a little bit away from your head. So there's a little gap here. And then you're going to draw the head back into the hands. You're going to feel this in the back of your neck. And release. We're strengthening the neck muscles now. Very important for good posture. Back and relax. Back and relax. Back and relax. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Now leave your head where it is and bring those hands down. Well done. Now we're going to add some knee bends, arms forward and back. So think of just maintaining that posture you've got now, okay? Imagine your back sliding down a wall for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Well done. I'm going to come forward. You're going to just clip your heels together like so. And then we're going to go out. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You're going to step it out. And we're going to go down. So just go to wherever feels okay for you. What we're wanting here is that back nice and upright. While you're holding your spine in this position, you're strengthening your back muscles. Good. And 3 and 2 and 1. Hold it here. Now we're going to turn the palms up. All right, and we're just going to take the shoulders back or the arms back. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Come on up. Well done. Coming back to my standing position here, going to reach that right foot back again. So resetting everything. Think of tummies, ribs, working through the head, so slight drawing back of the chin, but lengthening. We want to create space in those vertebrae in the neck. So think of the crown of the head reaching up. Okay, and we're going to work the back now, so we're going to go a little bit lower. Okay, bring the arms down, and now we're going to do circles. So we're going to go up and around, up and around. As big a circle as you are able to without your shoulders elevating. 5. Good. Now we go back the other way. So we're going to go back up and over. 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 Bring that foot in, change sides. So we can do 5 each way. All right, so again, reset, hinge forward, tummies in, and then we're going to go forward and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step in, interlace your fingers behind you, standing up nice and tall, and reaching those arms out. So again, try not to tuck, overly tuck, nor pop those ribs. So just holding it here for a nice stretch. Well done. Coming around. Let's go back to our nice wide stance. Okay, and bend those knees. And then we're going to reach this hand up. Gentle side stretch. So you're thinking more about creating space through those ribs. It's not about a big movement, it's about getting that little stretch. And come down. Other arm up. Stretching over and down. Let's go up and over, lift and down and up and over and lift and down. Coming all the way up, and there you go. That is your session for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do press that like button. It makes a huge difference. It's very helpful for me. And do subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.